Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to look about VLOOKUP function and not just the function itself. We are going to use a trick, and the trick here is VLOOKUP with multiple columns. So I have populated data here so that we save on time. So if you have this kind of data structure, and here we are going to have the dashboard where we are going to have a summary, and we are going to use VLOOKUP to auto find staff number and salary per employee. So we got the name of the employees, and here is how we are going to start. First, we are going to automate the names using data validation. So you'll need to highlight the area we want to automate the names. You come to data validation, change that to list. Then the source will be the names of all the employees you enter. By doing that, you can now see already here we got the list. For any cell here, we have the list. The next step is now to use VLOOKUP to find staff number and salary by a single name. So we are going to do this under the staff number, just right before the first cell of the name. Have VLOOKUP. The lookup value is the name. So my first name will appear on that cell, comma. Table array is the master table where you are getting your data. I hope you are seeing how I've highlighted. Point to note, if you check on this sheet, we have column A, B, C, and it happens that in this case, my column 1, which is the name, is the same as the third column of this sheet. So you have to be keen. Just check where I've highlighted. That is the table we are going to work with. And that means the name is column 1, staff number, column 2, salary, column 3. Column index number is what I want to find. And this is where the trick is. Usually, if I want staff number, I'll have 2, 0, and you close, enter. It will give. Here it is NA because I've not picked a name. For instance, if I pick a name there, you can see. But let me clear that first, then come back to my formula. First thing I want to do away with NA. So I'm coming to add if error, then 0. Now I have 0. Again, I don't want to use only column 2 here. I want to add multiple columns. So what you're going to do here, add curly brackets, open and close, and I come just in between them. So I need staff number, which is on my table, column 2, column 3. Remember, with this trick, you can go even more than 2 columns. It can be 5, 6, depending on your data structure. But for here, I only need staff number and salary. Good, enter. Then apply this just by dragging the filler to the right. Then again, drag the filler to the other part. Now, if I click the last person here randomly, I think you can see how it is coming. So just by a click, you get the data. Okay, let me show you again, and I'm going to zoom, how you can apply that to more. So in this case, my dashboard, I'm having the name, staff number, salary, and proposed increment. So this means for this, the first one, as you can see, I was only having staff number and salary here. Those are only 2 columns. Here I've added to show 3 columns. Again here, the way I'm going to start is by the data validation. Here are the names. Enter. That's auto populates my names. Then I'm going to have, let me zoom so that you can see this well. I'm zooming and centering. VLOOKUP. Lookup value is the name, comma, table array, in this case is going to be the name up to proposed increment, comma, column index number, we said you use curly brackets, and in this case I'm having 2, 3, 4. Then you come inside comma 0, then I close. But before I enter, I come here and say if error, because I don't want in A, if value is not there, then I also add 0. Here we go. So I'm just going to center, then apply filler to apply to the other parts, then again apply filler down to apply to all the parts. So what happens here, if I say James Wilson, you can see, guys, it's giving me all the data that I need. This is very time consuming. Guys, follow us more for more Excel tips. In my next video, I'm going to make how you can apply this mostly to those who are tutors, teachers. Yeah, this is a finest way. Subscribe to our channel and learn more with us. Of the 2 examples that we've looked at, there are more ways that we can use VLOOKUP. So here is a list of areas that you can use to apply VLOOKUP with multiple columns. So number 1, consolidate data from multiple sources systems. Number 2, automate account or GL. So you can go through all the others and see wherever will be applicable to your daily job. Thank you.